Class 3, let's do the exercises of 7a. Give one word answer. A solid which has three faces. Give one word answer. A solid which has three faces. So, in a solid form which has three faces, that's called, suppose in which solid you have three faces? Learn as in cylinder there is three faces. One is plane on top, one is plane surface at bottom, and one curved surface. Here this is curved surface. So answer of A is cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. SYLINDER. A solid which has one face, only one face. In sphere, na? Suppose like a ball. So that is sphere, only one curved surface. Only one curved surface. Okay. Okay. Now here a solid which has one edge, only one edge, neither any. Solid which has one edge, there is here in the sphere only one face, no edge, no vertex, but in the cone there is one plane surface and one curved surface. Okay, two faces in cone and one, that is one edge, and here is one vertex, so one edge in cone. A solid which has two edges, so two edges in here first edge and here second edge in cylinder. So answer is cylinder. Then after a solid which has one vertex, so there is only a cone that has only one vertex. Okay, here. Now tick the correct shape as shown here. Here Coke in the shape of cylinder. Here cuboid. Here this is dice, na? Dice in the shape of cube. Here the box there, that is in the shape of cuboid. Here is globe in the shape of sphere. There is the cap, birthday cap, that is the shape of cone. Okay. Here is the battery which is the shape of cylinder. Name any three objects which have flat surface. So name any three objects which you know and around of you see. Just I give you some example. You can write with yourself any other objects also which have flat surface. Okay, three objects which have flat surface. Only have flat surface. Okay, so first write as a, suppose tiffin box, drawing box or geometry box, or, and third I write here book or notebook, that is also have flat surface, na? Here name any three objects which have curved surface, so three objects which have curved surfaces. So first write a ball, curved surface, only one curved surface, and another such as globe. Here is balloon. Okay, so balloon. Name any three objects which have both flat and curved surface. So both flat and curved means in the shape of cylinder, like a battery, So write here the example of any cone shape, because there is also flat and curved both surface, one flat surface and one curved surface. So just write a birthday cap, birthday cap, and such as another just like a cylinder or flute also in the cylinder shape na flute. Next, point line and line segment. Point, we use a dot to represent a point. A point has no size, we name it by a capital letter. So point has no size, okay, only one point, that is a point. Here if here make a point, that is point. Agar if here I made a white point, so it's also called a point. So there is no size, okay. We name it by a capital letter, and name it by a capital letter, not a small letter. Just see this shape, that is triangle na, it has 3 corners, that is called vertices. Each corner represent a point, and each corner A, B, C, that has the point, okay. Now line, a line has no end or beginning, it can be extended to any length. So यहाँ पे आपका जो लाइन है इसकी कोई ना एंड है और ना ही कोई बिगनिंग है, ठीक है. इट कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड टू एनी लेंथ. देयर फ्रॉम द कॉर्नर इट कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड मोर एंड मोर. यहाँ से और भी ज़्यादा ये इंक्रीज हो सकती है लाइन, ठीक है. इसकी भी कोई लेंथ नहीं है. ये लाइन हमारी क्लियर होती है अगर आप कोई क्लियर इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया जाए कि हाँ 5 सेंटीमीटर लाइन ड्रॉ करिए, ड्रॉ 2 meter line, draw 3 meter line, so you make that, okay. But in the for the line you have to make at the corner this arrow sign, okay. Line segment, a line segment is a part of line. So line segment is a part of line, that is the part of line. Suppose just see, here is the point A, B. If I cut from the there, that is the part of these line hole na. Line start from here to here and it extended to many more, but that line segment is a part of line and it has a fixed length. It has a fixed length. इसकी length क्या होती है? Fixed होती है. It doesn't change. It has 2 end point and 2 end points clear होते हैं, ठीक है. Just B and A. There is shown with the point of capital letter A and B, that is end point, and a line segment is a part of line, okay. Here exercise 7b, read these points. So here read this point. Here point given with x, here point given with m, here point given with o. Here write point x, point m, okay. How can we read it? As point o. Now read this line segment. One has been done for you. Line segment, part of line, there is fixed length and 2 end point, that is P and Q. So that is called line segment PQ. How could you write it? As here, just see PQ, line segment written in this form PQ, and upside में ये line draw कर देंगे PQ पर, ठीक है. Then also can be write as QP, okay, and line draw upper side. Here XY, that is vertical form, but also can we read at XY or YX line segment, okay. These sign show an explanation for the line segment. If anywhere written as X, Y, A, B, any 2 point written with the this symbol, this sign of bar, okay, upper of the letter, so that is called as line segment point, okay. MN, here MN written as MN and line segment, okay, or NM, you can also write as NM line segment, okay. Count the number of line segment in each of the given figure given below. Now count the line segment. First line segment ML, second LN, third MN. So 3 line segment na, okay. Here how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8 line segment. Okay, now here UV 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, there is 6 line segment. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Total of 7 line segment. Now join these points from A to J. Here A and here written as J. Okay, so point from A to J, it means after A, B, then C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and at last meet at point J. So join, and what make, just see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Then after match it with the beginning point, that is A. So what here make? Star, na? What do you get? We get star. How many line segment do you get in all? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Total number of line segment 10. Name the line segment now. AB, okay, AB or BA, BC or CB, CD or DC. Okay, then after DE or ED, then after EF or FE, FG or GF, GH or HG, HI, IH, IJ, JI, okay, and AJ, AJ or JA. Okay, so total here 10 ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ओके, आप इसको अपोजिट टर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं. सपोज ए को ए बी, टू बी सी एज सी बी, टू सी डी एज डी सी, टू डी ई एज ई डी. ऑल्सो that is also same line segment. Okay, so total number of line segment is 10. Measuring line segment, let's learn. To measure line segment, we use a scale to measure the line segment. Centimeter and inches are marked along the two edges of the scale. The 0 mark on the scale is the beginning point. So in the scale, beginning point for measuring is 0. Start from 0, and there is centimeter and inches. One side written as centimeter and other side as inches. Okay, let's measure the length of a line segment AB in centimeter. Suppose here says to make line segment AB, so write here AB and see there is also make a line on AB. So for the, because there is line segment na, AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So just see in your scale which you have in your drawing box as 6 centimeter. There is from 0 to 6 were written. Okay, that is centimeter side, and you can make it with the 6 centimeter with the scale. Okay, I explain you these all terms in my next class.